40 questions. 40 questions. Question con. And those questions are actually, if you hear me speaking things that you don't really understand, just pardon me. Hallelujah. Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. It's your baby girl here again, Frida. And I welcome you all to today's video. Yes, fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I can hear someone asking, is she a girl? Now, me seen you before. I'm a baby girl. Say it after me. It's your baby girl here again, Frida. Yes, fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I know a lot of people just hurriedly clicked in. Seeing this kind of tag. Questions. Let's go and answer. Let's go and listen. Yes, so it's my friend, my gorgeous friend, my beautiful friend, my amazing friend. Oh my goodness. Eseosa. She actually tagged me with these 40 questions. Not just 40 questions. Repeat after me. 40 juicy questions. Say it. You got it. 40 juicy questions. We are going to be answering them today. Sit back, relax, grab your Coke, your Fanta, your popcorn, mix them all together, and let's dive right into today's video. Wait, have you subscribed? If you know you haven't, as I talk so, hit that word, subscribe. Relax, watch. Now, give like. Yes, go to the comment section, leave comment for me. Yes. After that one, be getting ready to share. When it done, they go towards the end. Watch till the end though, because I'm going to be tagging some people. If I don't see your 40 questions and answers, you are going to tell me if you smuggled it, or you grab it, or you sniff it, or then you will tell me if it is palliatives. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I'm just a very happy person. I don't want anything to dull my mood at all. That is the reason why I always run away from trouble. Any environment where there is trouble, hate, I just carry my bag. I don't fit for wahala. Yes, because I love happy mood a lot. Yes, me, I love happy mood a lot. Yes. So I've been through a lot. This is not the time to start hiding inside problem. Yes, fam, without wasting much time, let's dive right into these questions. All right? And question number 1 says, do you like blue cheese? Bakororo. If not, because eating healthy is now the beginning of lekba, what do I have to do with cheese? I never chop blue band finish. Anyway, I will say yes, I like blue cheese. Question number 2 says, Coke or Pepsi? I will go for Coke, all right? I like Coke. I don't really like the taste of Pepsi. Yeah. Question number 3 says, are you in a relationship? Look at me very well. As young as I am, you are asking me if I'm in a relationship. I am married, all right? Yeah. So a very caring husband. Does that answer the question? All right. Thank you. Now, question number 4 says, whiskey, tequila, or vodka? Auntie, I don't take anyone. Thank you. Mary, I know you might be disappointed, but pardon me. I don't take anyone. All of them are the same beds. Then they come feather join and they come flock together. Does that answer the question? Honestly, I won't take anyone. Thank you. Now, question number 5 says, hot dog or cheeseburger? I will take cheeseburger. But this one, boils down again to kpakororo. Hey, oh my God, ajebo no good oh. Self-made ajebo. So now me, now that they ask now whether I go take cheese or hot dog, whether I take cheeseburger or hot dog. Hey, see level. And question number 6 says, favorite food. Oh my goodness. I love plantain and owo, unripe plantain and owo. Mary, say it after me, unripe plantain and owo, all right? If you don't know it, Google it, all right? Or you YouTube it, okay? Huh? And you will see it. It's a very delicious meal. Yeah, that is my favorite food, okay? Now, question number 7 says, what do you drink in the morning? Yeah, most mornings I don't eat. But if I have to eat in the morning, if I have to drink anything, I will prefer smoothie. Then if you're asking between coffee and tea, I think I will go for tea in the morning, okay? Now, question number 8 says, can you do 100 push-ups? This woman sitting down here, nothing we should not fit do, but this 100 push-ups, it passed me. I don't think I can, fam. Yeah, let me just be honest, I can't. All right, question number 9 says, favorite season. Oh my goodness, I love it cozy. All right, so I prefer winter, okay? Yeah, winter. Question number 10 says, hobby. My hobby, crafting. All right, crafting. I love doing different things, creating things with my hands. That's my hobby, okay? If that answers the question. Question number 11 says, do you have tattoos? No, I ain't got tattoos. I ain't got time to benevi. No, honestly, I don't have tattoos, all right? Yeah, and question number 12 says, do you wear glasses? Yes, I do, but not medicated, all right? I do wear glasses, sunglasses. Yeah, question number 13 says, phobia. I don't phobia anything, no. I think the only thing that I would say I phobia, it would be very funny to hear that, all right? I've got phobia for dogs. Any other thing, be you height or anything, if you don't like carry gun, I no phobia. I ain't phobia anything, all right? Yeah. Question number 14 says, nickname. Oh my goodness, if I have to start naming my nicknames, in fact, we'll just end this video now, okay? I think if I have to start naming them, a lot of you will click out. Let me not just go there. I've got lots of nicknames, all right? Lots of nicknames, a lot, and I don't want to start mentioning those ones. Okay, I think that doesn't really answer the question. I've got nickname, okay? One of them is do I have to say it? Idada, say it. I think some of my cousins, yeah, actually gave that name to me, honestly. All right, so that's apart. If I have to start naming the rest, oh my God, we won't live here. Now, question number 15 says candy. I like candy, but not much. You know, these days we are trying to watch our weight, watch our height, and watch everything. I like candy, yeah. Do you believe in the Holy Ghost? Oh, no, sorry. Do you believe in ghosts? Yeah, I believe in the Holy Ghost. All right. I believe in the Holy Ghost. Now, number 17 says biggest downfall. Auntie not get downfall though. When I fall, before I land on the ground, I'm already shooting up from the other side. So I don't really record my downfall. I don't think I have any downfall. I ain't got no downfall. Before I land for ground, I'm shooting up already from the other side. So I don't really have downfall, I would say so. Yeah, question number 18 says rain or snow. Yeah, I think I will say rain. Okay, I prefer rain. All right. Yeah. Question number 19 says piercing. Piercing. Apart from adding extra hole to the original one that my mom did for me, I don't think I have any other piercing in any part of my body. Yeah, after some time, I just allow that one to close because what am I doing with it at the end of the day? Yeah, no more piercing, all right? Yeah. Question number 20 says, my age, all right? I'm in my 40s. To God be the glory. Yeah. And question number 21 says, French fries or onion rings? Oh my goodness. Ajabo. French fries. Can I have some French fries? Yeah, French fries. Question number 22 says, do you have kids? Oh, yes. I've got 3 lovely kids, adorable kids. Yeah, to God be the glory. Yeah, I've got 3 boys. To God be the glory. Yeah, question number 23 says, favorite color? They said colors. Oh my goodness. Well, there are certain things that I have to attach colors to, all right? When it comes to beddings or maybe my towels, let me just say I like white, I like orange color, black, brown. I think, yeah, those 4 colors. I really like those 4 colors. And question number 24 says, can I sing? Before, no, but now, yes. And I am a gospel artist. To God be the glory. Now, question number 25 says, can I whistle? Oh, yes. I hope I did well anyway. I can to an extent. Yeah. Question number 26 says, where was I born? Oh my goodness. I was born in Benin City, Edo State. All right. Nigeria, West Africa. Yeah. Question number 27 says, siblings? Oh yes, I've got siblings. I've got 4 siblings. To God be the glory. Now, question number 28 says, can I cook? I think cooking used to be, all right, my hobby. But after some time, I started diving deep into different things. And I now just said, okay, everything joined together. Let me say crafting. All right, yeah, I can cook very well. Even my husband can attest to that. I can cook very well. I can cook very well. When I say very well, I can. All right, yeah. Question number 29 says, can I swim? Yes, I can swim, but I'm not a professional. Question number 31 says, shower or bath? I prefer bath, okay? I want to scrub my body neatly, all right? Yeah. Question number 32 says, big city or nature? I love nature, okay? Yeah, I love nature. Question number 33 says, am I a good friend? Oh, yes. Yeah, I don't need anyone to tell me that. I am a good friend, okay? Yeah. Question number 34 says, broken bones? No, I ain't got broken bones. To God be the glory. Question number 35 says, do you have TV? Yes, I've got TVs. To God be the glory. Yes, I've got TVs, but I don't watch. Sounds strange, isn't it? Yeah. Question number 36 says, worst pain ever? Worst pain ever is not really having enough money the way I wanted to, all right, have to spend on my mom before she died. Yeah. I'll be one hammer so that I will show her, say, yes, I appreciate all she's been doing for me right from birth. She really suffered for me, and not having enough money to spend on her before she died, it was a great pain, and it's still a great pain in my heart up to today. God knows. Yes. Question number 37 says, do I like to dance? Oh my goodness. I like to dance, even if I'm not a professional dancer. I love dancing a lot. especially in church. Yes. Question number 38 says, camping? Yes, I like camping. Yeah. And question number 39 says, are you weird? You know, this word is very versatile, all right? It is a very big word, all right? It got branches, okay? I will say to an extent, okay? To some extent, yes. Let me just put it like that. It depends on the kind of word you're talking about, all right? Yeah, question number 40. I made it. I should tag 6 channels to do these same questions and answers. Yeah. Number 1 channel I'm going to be tagging right now is give it up for Uwa Edionwe TV. Yes, Uwa Edionwe TV. I'm tagging you right now. Okay. Yes, take up the challenge. Yes, I want to see you with a challenge, sis. And number 2, Trendy C TV. Oh my goodness, Trendy C, I'm tagging you right now. Okay, take up this challenge. I want to come and watch you with these 40 questions. Yeah, Ungo's Kitchen. Yum yum, I want to eat. Ungo's Kitchen, take up this challenge. Okay. All right, I'm tagging you to take up this 40 questions challenge. And All Things Tessie E. I'm tagging you, my beautiful sis. All right, take up these 40 questions. All right. And Lady FK Kitchen, I see you, I sight you. Come on, take up this challenge, 40 questions challenge. All right, just the way it is in this video. Okay. And the last but not the least channel, Happiness Empire. Oh my goodness. Take up this challenge. I want to come and watch you. Okay. I really enjoyed answering these questions. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Marcy. Was so thank you. Yes, I made it and I'm going to be uploading it right away. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, fam, and I will see you all in my next video. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so well, all right, to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Do so well to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Like and share, okay? All right, be your sister's keeper.